This video will show the CamRanger 2 on location with an iPad for a senior photo portrait session. The CamRanger 2 can wirelessly tether your Canon, Fujifilm, Nikon, or Sony camera to a tablet, phone, or computer. The CamRanger 2 offers many options and features, all while keeping you mobile and not worrying about cables to trip over. Every photo you take is displayed on your device in a matter of seconds. You can use this to review images on a larger screen and check exposure, focus, and composition. Or use it to review images with your client. You can even put the CamRanger app into client mode, which removes the camera controls so the client can review images as they are captured. There are multiple image overlays, including custom watermarks within the CamRanger app. Depending on your workflow, easily share photos to social media or Dropbox, FTP transfer, print, or more. The CamRanger Share feature enables sending images to multiple devices, so directors, assistants, and clients can all follow along separately. Setup is quick with the CamRanger 2. Turn on the CamRanger, connect to its Wi-Fi signal, launch the CamRanger app on your device, and then start shooting. Having the CamRanger with you on location provides a lot of options that make your shoots more efficient, help involve your clients more in the session, and saves you a ton of time in the editing phase. The next time you have a shoot like this, make sure you bring your CamRanger with you.